Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to save your research, share insights with others, or use your work outside Perplexity AI, exporting a research report is an essential step. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to export a research report in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, log into your account and open your research thread. So find the conversation, open the full thread, okay, for example this, and make sure everything is complete, okay, so the final version is ready. So look for exports or share options, so click share or exports or download icon, okay, and usually at the top or near the thread, okay. So as you can see here is the option, okay. So usually, as I said here with the thread, so export tools, okay, so to choose export formats. Available options may include PDF, text, link sharing, okay, so select what you need and export as PDF, so it's the recommended one. So choose export as PDF, download the file, save it on your device, okay. Copy or share as a link, so alternatively like copy link, share with others, okay, so it's a quick sharing. You can also review the exported file, so check formatting, content accuracy, missing parts, okay, and fix them if needed, okay. So you can also edit if necessary, so you can open in Word docs, adjust formatting, add headings, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.